Let's talk about 5 side hustles you can start as a student or part-time from anywhere in the world. Let's start right now. So, one of the first side hustles that you can do as a student is with a website called usertesting.com. Here's the homepage here. So with usertesting.com, it's basically, there's a lot of large companies out there that are looking for genuine people feedback. So you can come over to usertesting.com and you can get paid to test. Just click the link here, away we go. Earn up to $60 per test, visit a website or app, complete a set of tasks and speak your thoughts out loud and get paid. So it's that simple, just sign up for it, away you go. You'll be sent tasks depending on your region and depending on your specialities or depending on what you're looking for really. So user testing it's a great website, and even if you just watch this little tutorial video, you'll see exactly what I mean.
Your customers, they're all in their own little bubbles interacting with your brand. But the problem is, you're here and they're there. You have no way of knowing what their first time user experience is like, what they think of your new product, or what the customer journey is like. Data can get you one step closer, but it doesn't get you all the way there. User testing gives you the power of human insights as they interact with your brand. Hi.
Hey,
It's just like being in the room with them. So what did you think of the new Zoom feature on the app?
it's great, but
You can watch how they interact with your solution. Whether you want to guide them through a real-time interview, or you're happy to let users record their opinions solo, user testing breaks down the barriers between you and your customers. Hi.
So that's it guys. So user testing are looking for users, that's you get paid to test. So that's definitely one that can be done as a student in your spare time or whenever. Another side hustle you can do guys as a student or part-time is a transcriptionist. So if you head over to a website like we have here, we have Transcribe Me, fast and accurate transcriptions. So you're probably asking who wants anything transcribed. There's a huge demand for this for people who are looking to transcribe items from videos into blog posts and vice versa. There is a lot of transcriptionist work out there at the moment, and there is some very good websites you can use. We'll go through a few of them here. But Transcribe Me is one of the top sites. You can see here you can join as a transcriptionist. You can see the pricing. It's just transcribeme.com. Transcribeme.com, and you can check it out. Highly rated customer satisfaction. It's great for technology, consulting, market research, medical, translation, education. So you can choose a service, transcription, speech recognition and translation, and you can see the kind of price tags that are putting on these, and you can join as a transcriptionist. So you can see who they've worked with here. They've worked with Oracle, Kaplan, Genesys, Salesforce, Facebook, Harvard, Deloitte. So Transcribe Me is a great site. Another good website for this guys is rev.com. Fast quality on-demand service. You can see they have transcriptions, captions, foreign subtitles, and you can see the kind of price ranges that they're going for here. They've worked with Viacom, the New York Times, Disney, CBS, PBS. You can see here why Rev. It's just rev.com. If you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, these are the services that they're offering. If you can have some, there's testimonials here. They have a voice recording app. If you come down to the bottom here, you can do a career, or you can sign in as a freelancer. Just click on freelancer here. You see a quick video here. We won't go through the video now, but you earn money while working from home. Choose your schedule, choose your own projects. You get paid reliably, growing your own. So there you go now. Transcriptionist, listen to audio and video, type what is being said and by whom. So it's 65 cents per minute. You can do captioner, you can do a subtitler or a translator. So that's rev.com. So if you use Transcribe Me, rev.com, Another one then is Scribey, scribey.com. Again, transcribe your audio video files, rate starting at 10 cents per minute. Just scroll down here, you can see how it's easy to use and it's a pay-as-you-go service. But what you want to do is come all the way down to the bottom. You can see here that they're looking for transcribers. Just click in on this here. Home-based, work at your own convenience, $5 to $25 per hour audio pay rate in US dollars. Short files, 10 minutes or less. So that's scribey.com, but any of those, so it's Transcribe Me, rev.com and scribey.com. Check out those ones. If you use all those together, or if it's something that you'd like to do, then if you're using the three of those in conjunction with yourselves, you can definitely get some money coming in as a side hustle, or even beyond that, even full-time or whatever you want to do. Check out those websites, guys. They're free to sign up for, and away you go. Another side hustle that you can do as a student or part-time or even full-time is become a freelancer. There's several websites out there that if you use them in conjunction with one another, that you're not just relying on the one website, that you can get quite a bit of additional works coming in, whether you want it, as I say, part-time, full-time, or just something to do as an interest. So one of the first websites we want to look at, there's three websites we want to look at here. The first one is freelancer.com. So you can hire expert freelancers for any job online. Millions of small businesses use freelancers to turn their ideas into reality. So what you want to do is you want to become a freelancer. So you can see how it works here real quick. What kind of work can I get done? So you just have, so people post their projects, and if you have something that you're good at, say social media marketing, which we have a course on here, or we also have, actually guys, there's a free course on freelancing here. It's in my videos. I'll leave a link in the description below or in the comments below. You can check it out. But it's just a free course that'll help you get going. So people post projects, they choose a freelancer, which is you, and then they pay when they're satisfied. So as I say, this can be anything from writing blog posts to digital marketing to graphic design. So Freelancer is a great website for this. So you can browse the jobs on it, see what's available at the moment. Here you go. Someone looking for a design project, up to $250. Social media graphics, $5 an hour average bid. You can probably do better than that. But you can look, you can choose by filter, choose by language, local jobs, recruiter jobs, full-time jobs. So head over to freelancer.com to check that out. The next one is a good favorite of ours, and if you're familiar to the website, you'll know that we like Upwork. Upwork.com, looking to hire faster and more affordably. So you can see it here: web development, mobile development, design, writing, admin support. Again, it's a similar kind of setup to Freelancer. They can post the jobs, so you can see what kind of jobs are available at the moment. There's a graphic design job for $50. Need an educational course writer knowledgeable about food intolerance and allergies. Fixed price, almost $2,000. So you can go down through the jobs here, see what you like. Or again, you can put on the filters. I'm in Ireland here, so as you can probably tell by the accent. So you can see what kind of jobs are on locally. Another good website then we also like is our old favorite Fiverr. So I use Fiverr quite a bit. Again, you can do graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation. Again, and we have videos on Fiverr, guys, and how best to use it. Just post your gigs. Make sure you start low, basically with obviously $5 is your introductory gig, and after that, then you can kind of make money on the back end by scaling up and boxing out basically on the gigs that you've already done. So we just go into logo design here or something like that. Graphic and design. Flyers and brochure packaging. So if you're any good with graphics and design, you can do it. You can use websites like Canva to do this, and that's a free website, and you can do graphic designs, or you can do writing and translation, digital marketing, video and animation, music and audio. There's loads of stuff here. So that's another way, guys, another side hustle that you can use, part-time, full-time. Just become a freelancer. If you have a particular gig or particular skill that you're good at, and as I say, there's loads of free stuff available there on this site. Just check it out and become good at something, and post your portfolio on all these three sites: Fiverr, Freelancer and Upwork. And then as time goes by, you can build up a portfolio. Then obviously advertise your portfolio. satisfy customers, just like any other business, and then take it from there. So it could probably roll out to something bigger than part-time, but that's freelancing, guys. So check out that free resource down in the description below. Another side hustle you can use, guys, as a student or part-time is become a freelance driver, a food delivery driver. Use your car or use your bike or whatever to deliver food. This is especially useful if you're in and around the cities. So we have a few websites you can use here for this. The first one is Grubhub. So you just go to grubhub.com. You see it here. Taco Bell free delivery, local favorites, delivered to your doorstep, spend less, eat more. So again, if you just scroll down to the very bottom, you can partner with them for drivers. Just click in on it here 1 second. Earn your way to success. So just fill out the details. Become a Grubhub driver, make great money, earn competitive pay and keep 100% of your tips. Work when you want, the hours are flexible, more orders, more opportunities to earn. So complete your application, get set to deliver, gear up for pickup and schedule your block and hit the road. So Grubhub is one, guys. Another one is Postmates. They kind of do a bit of food and everything. So if you see it here, it's postmates.com. Anything, anytime, anywhere, we get it. So they deliver food, they deliver anything at all, really. Choose an area to explore. You can see San Francisco all the way to Oklahoma. They deliver more than dinner. So if you scroll down to the bottom here, join the fleet. Deliver a post, sign up to get started. It's free to sign up and fast to get started. There are no fees or time commitments. You take home 100% of what you earn every time you complete a delivery. So you get the little app, you do a delivery, and away you go. So that is Postmates.com. And the last one we want to talk about on food delivery as side hustles is Uber Eats. So discover restaurants that deliver near you. So people use Uber Eats quite a bit. It's the Uber Eats app, but again, if you scroll down to the very bottom, you can become a delivery partner. So again, just click in on this, on Uber Eats. Okay, so the page is not found, but if you go over to ubereats.com, you'll find it there somewhere. It's possibly because Uber Eats is not available in Ireland yet, as far as I'm aware. But if you're in the States or if you're in the UK, it's definitely available. So check out Uber Eats, check out Postmates, and check out Grubhub. So there's a couple of sites, guys, you can use if you have a car there and you're interested in doing some weekend work, because usually when this is busy, it's definitely a good side hustle to get into. So it's a few pounds. So that's food delivery, guys, as things you can do as a student or part-time. Another side hustle you can use, guys, is you can sell second-hand textbooks. So you see a website here called sellbackyourbook.com. Sell, buy or rent books. So obviously if you're a student, you're going to have some books, or you're going to have access to books. So you can head over to a website like sellbackyourbooks.com, just sign in and you can buy books, sell books. There's a lot of people actually dealing in books online, so they're using websites like sellbackyourbooks.com. Also, another one you can use is Bookfinder. Bookfinder.com is another one you can use. You can find a book via the author, title, ISBN, or you can sell back books. And obviously, in the book selling space, I suppose, don't forget about Amazon. Amazon, obviously, for books is absolutely huge, and you can use Amazon FBA for books. It's something I've done myself. I've actually done it from Ireland and sold in the States, so it's something that you can do. So between Amazon, Bookfinder, or even you can even go to markets and garage sales or car boot sales or whatever, and pick up books and send them on to Amazon FBA, and then just let them sit there, and eventually they will sell. Children's books are big sellers, but obviously if you're a student, textbooks are also, if they're in good condition, you can sell them. So that's Amazon, Bookfinder, and sellbackyourbooks.com. So guys, that's 5 side hustles that you can do as a student. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below, hit that subscribe button. We're releasing videos every day. Leave a comment down below, and as I say, I leave in the description, I leave some useful links there. The freelancer is it's something that you can start straight off the bat. Usertesting.com, Transcribe.me, Freelancer. You can deliver on Grubhub or Uber Eats, and also resell textbooks. So if you found it useful, guys, give us the thumbs up. I'll leave a couple of videos here in the corners. I think you'll enjoy them. And until next time, just be careful out there.